The FIFA World Cup 2026 is live right now, and there's one football niche quietly taking over YouTube. There's a channel with barely any subscribers, but it's pulling thousands of views. Another creator in the football niche uploaded just 16 videos and is already making real money every month. And instead of just yapping about why the World Cup niche is good, like every other YouTube guru does, I'll show you exactly how these videos are made. From finding a trending video idea and scripts that people are actually searching for, all the way to turning that script into a football explainer video using the stick figure style. And here's the best part. I'm going to show you two completely different methods. The first uses only free AI tools, exactly how others are doing it right now. While the second method is how I personally do it, using a single AI tool that lets you build the exact same video in just minutes. So make sure you watch till the end, as you'll walk away with everything you need to launch your own Faceless World Cup channel. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. Now, these stick figure videos are going viral because of their trending topics. The more people debate about something, the more engagement you get. So before I generate a single idea, I'll connect my vidIQ MCP straight into Claude. The results we are about to get from this will shock you. And the best part is, you can get started with vidIQ for just $1. It offers several valuable features that you can use for your own YouTube channel. But the one I personally use the most is niche evaluation. I simply ask Claude to evaluate the World Cup explainer niche. And within minutes, it starts assessing keyword demand, competition level, breakout channels, what's actually trending, and whether a niche is worth entering. It's like having a research analyst inside the same conversation where I'm about to generate my script. So once I know the niche is worth pursuing, let us finally generate the video ideas. And for this, I've created a master document that contains all the prompts needed to generate consistent football explainer videos using the stick figure animation. You can grab it for free from the video's description. The first thing you'll need to do is copy the first prompt and paste it into Claude. And within seconds, you'll get 10 video ideas that are already backed by real search and competition data. Now here's where it gets better. To convert one of those video ideas into a script, I've included another prompt inside the document. Simply paste it into the same conversation. Then you just have to remove the placeholders and add your selected video idea. Once you hit enter, it generates a natural script that already follows the pacing, structure, and viewer retention techniques that are working for the biggest channels in this niche right now. Honestly, the vidIQ and Claude combination has changed how I plan content. If you want to try this for yourself, I've got a special deal for you. You can try vidIQ for an entire month for just $1 through the link in the pinned comment. It's genuinely one of the best investments you can make for your channel. Once your script is locked in, the next most important part is figuring out what visuals to generate for each moment in the script. This third prompt inside the document solves that problem completely. Copy it, go back to Claude, and paste it into the same conversation. What happens next is genuinely impressive. Claude breaks your script down scene by scene and generates highly detailed image prompts. However, to get quality prompts for each scene, Claude generates only 10 image prompts at a time. So simply type next, and it provides the next set of prompts. In less than 30 seconds, we have gone from nothing to a complete, ready-to-execute video plan. Now for the voiceover, you can generate it using tools like 11 Labs. I won't go too deep into this part since most people already know how this works. Just for your reference, I'm choosing Bill Stevens as my voice and Flash 2.5 as my model. Now we move on to generating images, and this is where I want you to pay close attention. I'll be using Nano Banana Pro inside Google Flow to generate every single image. If you don't have access to it yet, GPT Image 2 works as a solid alternative. So what I usually do is, I go back into Claude, grab the prompt for scene 1, and drop it straight into the generator. Then for consistency, I would recommend uploading an existing image as a reference. Next in the settings, choose the aspect ratio and the number of images you want to create. Lastly, hit the generate button. And look at how incredible those images are. I really like this one. Now here's what you have to do next. Go back to Claude and repeat this process until all of your images have been generated. Just don't forget to reference an image in the prompt for style consistency. Now let's move over to the final step, where we put everything together. Start by dropping your voiceover to the timeline and trim off any unnecessary gaps in between. This will be your foundation because our clips will sync to it. Now start placing your generated visuals one by one. Once that's done, start positioning or trimming them to match the flow of the voiceover. And honestly, it's that simple. No fancy editing is needed. Just add an adjustment layer on top and modify settings like sharpness, clarity, and vignette a little. This small thing makes our videos look cleaner and more professional. So once everything is done, all you need to do is export the video. Here's how the final video looks.
A World Cup goal was disallowed because of an armpit. Not a handball, not a foul, an armpit was in the wrong position. This is the rule that confuses everyone. New viewers, casual fans, occasionally the players themselves. Here is exactly how it works. When your teammate passes the ball to you, you cannot be beyond the last outfield defender. If you are ahead of that defender the moment the ball is kicked, the linesman's flag goes up, play stops, goal disallowed. But here is the part nobody tells you. You can stand in an offside position for the entire match and absolutely nothing happens. The rule only activates the moment the ball is played to you. Standing offside is not a crime. Receiving the ball while offside is.
Pretty cool, right? But here's the truth. You've probably noticed we've spent more time creating assets than actually making the video, and doing that consistently is genuinely exhausting. This is exactly why I stopped doing it this way, and started using Clippie AI. This tool makes it extremely easy to create viral short videos in minutes. It also has commentary-style videos and top 5 moments, 2 of the other formats currently performing extremely well in this exact World Cup niche. But for now, we're focused on the AI story video feature to create such stick figure explainer in minutes. So once you sign up using the link in the description, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Select the AI story video feature. The AI script option allows you to create a script with a single click. But for now, I will just paste the script generated using Claude. Then they have a wide range of art styles you can choose from. For this particular niche, the 2D hand-drawn style is perfect. Next comes the voice, and I usually go with either Brian Overturf or the Christopher voice, as both work well for this kind of explainer content. Now simply click the Generate Scenes button. Set the aspect ratio and generation mode, and Clippie AI will start generating scenes based on your script. As you can see, the scenes are ready. Now this is very cool. It actually lets you fine-tune every single detail, like modifying a single word, adding sound effects, or regenerating a voiceover completely. You can also regenerate a scene if you don't like how it turned out. Simply modify or enter a completely new image prompt. Click on the Generate button, and a completely new image will be added. But one of my favorite features is being able to add multiple images to a single scene, and control exactly how long each one stays on screen. It basically gives you a built-in mini editor without ever leaving the platform. Also, animating each scene takes just a couple of clicks, including different Seedance model versions. This is how easy it is to create football niche videos using Clippie AI. Next comes the background option. This is where you can upload or choose background music from a wide range of options. As of now, I will not select any of them. For the transition style, I usually go with blur, and particle swirl for the video overlay. The last section is captions, where you can choose a caption style from the options provided. But I'll just remove it completely from the settings, as the channel we are replicating doesn't use it either. Finally, we're all set. Click the Export button, enter a name for your file, and then click Render Video. Clippie will start processing everything, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a football explainer video created with a single AI tool. Here's how it looks.
The goalkeeper cannot save a penalty. Not on pure reaction, it is physically impossible. A penalty kick travels 12 yards. It takes roughly 0.4 seconds to reach the goal. A goalkeeper can only react in 0.2 seconds. So every single dramatic dive you have ever watched was a guess. Here is how a penalty shootout actually works. The match is level after extra time. Both teams pick 5 players. They alternate. One kick from this team, one from that team, back and forth.
And that's how easy it is to create football explainer videos with stick figure animation using only AI tools. You now have the exact blueprint, you've got the perfect prompts, and you've got 2 methods to choose from. The FIFA World Cup niches are still incredibly early, and the channels already in it are earning thousands of dollars a month. If you want to fast-track the process, the link to Clippie AI is in the description, along with my pro-level prompt document. Also, check out vidIQ in the pinned comment to easily find trending video ideas for just $1. If this video gave you something real, hit the like button and subscribe to AI Upskill. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.